How to unblock a website blocked by administrator in 2023. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to unblock a website blocked by administrator. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So first you can just click these three dots in the top right corner, and then you have to scroll down a bit and click the settings option and come to your settings. Now here you have to click this system option over here and choose open your computer's proxy settings, and then you can just simply add a proxy to your system, or you can just go back over here and go to your web store. Once you're on your Chrome web store, you can search for an extension. You have to search for a VPN to add to your computer or PC. Just download the VPN that you want, and it's free. Once you add the extension, you have to turn it on, and then it's going to unblock the website that was blocked by administrator. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.